Isigungu iGauteng likha forum sesinikeze umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa usuku lwakusasa ukuba ahoxise ukuvalwa kotshwala. Uma kungenjalo simphosela inselele enkantolo. Iningi lamaqembu ezombusazwe lisikhahlela ngazo zombili isiphakamiso sokuvulwa kokuthengiswa kotshwala ngelithi sibukela phansi imizamo kahulumeni yokunqanda ukusabalala kwe-COVID-19.
Uhulumende uyibeke yacace okokuba kufuneka kwenziwe ntoni nangethuba le-lockdown eMzantsi Afrika. Phakathi kwemigqaliselo ayibekileyo kokuba kungathengiswa tywala ngelithuba. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthe wayongeza ke i-lockdown ememelela kuluntu lomzantsi Afrika koba maluhlonele zonke into ezibekwe etafuleni. Kodwa kubonakala ngathi bakhona sele benxaxa ANC ke ithi kuyatsarha noko oku akunakuvunyelwa.
The current situation shows that this is indeed a moment of business unusual across the board. The ANC calls on all South Africans to abide by these lockdown regulations as well as precautionary measures which were announced by government as part of curbing the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Namanye amaqela ezopolitiko ke aphose sivaneni ngelithi noko makubuyiwe kancinci kuyavakala kokuba lo mbandela uzawukuya enkundleni ngolwesibini usiwa iGauteng Liquor Board.
Alcohol is not an essential. Alcohol is one of the biggest contributors in violent crimes in South Africa, including gender-based violence.
Namthela ungomuhle neze kusameni kwamabhizinisi. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi sibhekene nengwadla yesifo esingajwayelekile nophetheka kwaso ukuhamba ngesivinini esiphezulu. Sishaya ikhwelo kwabantu bakithi baseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi asiqhubeke nokubambisana nokubekezela ngaphansi kwalesi simo. Ingakho ke siyanxusa kakhulu ukuthi sonke asilandele imiyalelo ebekiwe ekuyiyona elawula ukuphila kwethu ngalesi sikhathi.
But we are saying that this is in the best interest of all of us.
Please let us obey the rules. Let us cooperate with the call by the president because coronavirus is a dangerous virus.
Kanti ke abathengi botywala nabo banezimvo ezibethabethanayo ngalombandela.
Bangavula but then bavule for isikhathi kube nesikhathi mhlambe bathi from 1 o'clock until 4 o'clock.
Ngamna ku right ngathengisa utywala as long as indoors. I think it will help more bana singaphumi. Alcohol anibonile sokuba bangayishavisa kahle kahle.
Okwangoku ke ukuthengiswa kotywala kusabhekeliselwe phakude eMzantsi Afrika de kuphele i-lockdown. Ndingwabongile Dumako kwindaba ze SABC eGauteng.